What is one piece of tech you initially thought was too expensive, but ended up being worth every single penny?
GPS.
GPS.
GPS, number one, but probably the new number one is the optical sorter in the seat plant.
It's GPS when it came out.
Blockage monitors on the Cedar.
RTK GPS.
The GPS. GPS.
Electric tarps.
GPS equipment, probably.
Variable rate.
Automation in combines.
GPS in the combine.
Satellite imagery.
Back in the day, GPS.
Field monitoring. Sectional control.
Oh, precision technology.
GPS.
GPS back in the day.
Variable rate.
A second combine.
Rotary ditcher.
GPS. Don't tell Rick.
Yeah, I would say GPS. I was one of the first ones to have auto steer, but now we got everything, yeah.
Probably some of the expensive planter precision parts,
Okay.
like the 2020 monitor.
My drone.
Variable rate technology.
All tech is expensive when it's new until you realize the benefits.
No, auto steer nowadays. Yeah.
Yeah, auto steer and sectional control.
Section control.
GPS.
Probably GPS and auto steer.